Scott here from Scott Mechanics. Just going to do our 10mm spanner test again. The last one we carried out, all the spanners came with a lifetime warranty, snap-on, Blue Point and SP. They've all been replaced, the warranty, and no questions asked. Very good. But since then we've been given them 3 more spanners. What we have here is the Max spanner, brand new. The BRITOOL spanner, brand new. And also facom spanner, brand new. We're going to do exactly the same test with them. The only difference this time is we're going to use a digital torque wrench which vibrates and buzzes with the same 10mm hex, and we'll see when the jaws open up. Thank you. Right. First we have the Max spanner, ratchet spanner, RW021 10mm 467. I'll take that out of the box. See that there? A ratchet at one end, a little keyway so you can switch it. Slight bevel on it. So pop that in there. Nice and tight. A torque wrench. Start at £20 per square inch. Buzzing bleeped at 20, 19.8, so we'll go up to 30. That's at 30. Did move a little bit there at 30. So 29.7 it's shown, so we'll go up a pound at a time now. 31. We'll go £2 at a time. 32. Put that in there again. Turning at 32. Try it again. So coming out of the jaws, 32. And you see the chrome coming off. I'll do that one at 32. Not very good. Next one, second. See, nice little spanner, ring at one end, quite deep, slightly offset, nice finish, try that as well. We'll go back down to 20. Again. Right there. Buzz fine at 20. Up to 30. That worked fine at 30. 35. I can find it 35. And 40. And we're up to 40. 9.4. 42. Looking well at 42. 44. Just starting to turn. Little there at 44. We go to 45. It's turning at 45. Yep. Down there. 22 it turned that, but 45 it was active. So that's really good. 45. Very good. Little facom spanner. We're up to 45. Last but not least, BRITOOL spanner. We'll open that up. Good look at its eye. A little dotted on the other side, nice grippy feeling. E113205. Leave it back a little bit, 30-degree angle. Nice looking spanner. Nice. Put that in there. BRITOOL. Okay, go back down to 20. 20. Try that. No problems at all. Straight up to 30. Very good at 30. 35. Good at 35. Up to 40. Tiny bit of movement there at 40. So what we'll do, .42. Turn at 42. Did move a little bit though. .44. Good at 44. go 46. It's moved a bit, but it hasn't gone through. That's 46, 48. Manage 48. It's turned a little bit though. 48. Up to 50. Definitely worked 50. I started to open the jaws a little bit at 50. 52. I think it'll probably die a death there. We'll try it. 52. Now it's gone at 52. Very interesting. There you go. Have a look at the end of that one. It's probably a better way of looking at it. See the little indentations on it. Just bring the Mac one back in. Check the Mac one again. Mac was 30. That's the facom one. Facom one was 45. And the winner was the BRITOOL one. Just says expert on it, 10. And the part number for BRITOOL. It does look the worst, although it held up to 52 pounds per foot. Very impressed. It does have quite a deep gouge in it, but it did the job for the highest torque before the Allen key turned inside it. Thank you for watching.